Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope they are doing good. So today I'm going to show you migrations in Laravel. So what is migration? Basically, it will allow you to create tables in your database. So migration allows you to modify the database. You can add a column to a table. You can add your all tables using migrations, or you can drop a table or delete a column in a table. All these things you can do using migrations. So guys, it's very simple to create a migration, and I will show you a very basic example how to create migration. I will be showing you how to create a table using migration. So let's get started with today's video. So let me show you database. So here you can see I'm using Laravel tutorial, and inside that I'm having two tables, contact and file upload. So I'll be showing you contact only, how to create this table using migrations. So now let's go to code. So where you can find migration, you can find in database, and inside database you can go to migration folder. So inside this all migration will be created. So by default you can see we will be having four migrations: users or personal access token, failed jobs, and password reset. All these four migrations will be default. So if you want to keep, you can keep, otherwise remove. So I'm just going to keep it. So I'm just going to create my new migrations using command. So for creating migration, write command php artisan make colon migration, and after that migration file name basically. So write, let's say, create contact table. So now hit enter, and now you can see that created migration. Now you can see the file name, date is appended in front of your file name, and also you can see that all file create user table. So that's the convention you can use, because it's a easy to understand that in this particular file we are creating user table, we are creating user like contact table. So basically in front of file, timestamp is attached with your file name. So you can see the file structure here. Two functions are there, up and down. So up function is to create a table, or if you are adding column to table. And down function is dropping your table or dropping a column from your table. So let me show you how you can connect to database. So open your env file. In env you can see that there is some db connection, then db host, db port, and all these things will be filled to connect with your db. So my database is Laravel tutorial I have shown you. So here you can see in DB database I have mentioned it. And if you have different username and password for your DB, you can mention it here. So let's go to file. And in file you can see that there is schema create contact. So this will create our table, contact table, and inside that you can see we are having two, table ID and timestamps. So these will be like ID will create auto increment and primary ID in your table, and timestamps is like created at and updated at column will be added. So just take a reference of contact form, and we will be creating table. Let's all field, but all fields are there. So here firstly I'll be taking name. So for that write table string, because it's going to be a varchar. So write string name. After that string write email. So after that let's take column phone number. So that will be a small integer. So don't get confused what is this small integer or string. So I'll be showing you what all column types available in the end of the video. So now next column let's take message. So that will be a string type. So in a basic contact form, all these fields are there. So now we have created our migration. So now how we are going to run this migration? So this table will be created in our database. Before running our migration, let me just delete this contact table, because it will give error, because already this table is present in database. So just drop this table. So now we will run our migration. So in command write php artisan migrate. So this will run your migrations. So here you can see as a output of this command that 5 migrations, all tables here, user table, all these default one and contact one also created. So let's go to db and check. So here you can see 7 tables we are having. So don't get confused, only 5 table in migration and here 7. So one table, that is file upload, already present in our database, and one is added, that is migrations one. So let's go to contact table and check this structure. So go to structure, and here you can see ID, auto increment 1, the name varchar you can say 255, email 255. It's taking length 255 as I have not mentioned the length there. Then phone number small and message varchar, and you can see created at updated at column with timestamps. So now let me show you migration table as well. So in migration you will be having all the logs kind of table. This will be that which all migration is already run, so these will not run again if all these are present in this table. And batch number is kind of like that all these migration is run at a time. It's like in a single migration all these tables created. So let me show you this. So write php artisan make migration, and let's say create inventory table. Now run this command. I guess there is some spelling mistake. So make migration is having wrong spelling, correct it and enter. So now you can see file is created. So let's just open it. So now let me just clear the terminal. And in inventory migration, let me just add one name column. So write table string inside that name. So now let's again run the migration. So write php artisan migrate. So here you can see only one file is migrated. No previous migration is running again here. So this one is because of migration table, because all these previous migration are listed in this table. So now let's check in DB, go to inventory table. There you can see 4 columns. And now let me show you migration table as well. So go to migration, there you can see for inventory, batch number is 2. So each time you are running migration, it will have different batch number. So while creating migration, I have shown you like string, small integer, and timestamps, all these things. So let me show you in documentation where all things you can find, how many column types are there that you can use. So let me go to that particular section. So here you can see all these type are like column types that you can use while creating your tables. So you can see there is text or there is a float, all these things you can use while creating. So one more thing is left, that is down function. So in down function you can see that we can drop our table or column. So I'll be showing you that down function basically will be used in rollback time. So I'll be creating another video for that. So in this video I have shown you how to create a migration, how to run a migration. So in my next video I'll be showing you how to add column to table using migration. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.